Hello and welcome to this video solution of Numerade. So here we are given a compound pendulum in the form of a uniform bar hinged at the point O. Is hanging at rest when stuck at a point a distance h from O. Okay, that's given by a horizontal force F. You have to determine the height h so that the horizontal reaction at O is zero. Note such point is called the center of percussion. So what happens is if you see here, uh, it's subjected to the forces. Let's say first of all you've got the weight acting downwards, right? And due to the rotation there will be centripetal force acting towards the point O. So for the reaction at O to be zero, these two forces has to get balanced, so the weight has to be equal to Fc, right? Now what you need to do is, this is equation 1 I take. Now the next equation